I got visitors in Bali. I'm tickling you technically. Meet Razu. Say hi to my YouTube vlog. Nacho, let's nacho. Yay. Last night we decided to go snorkeling to another island, like far away from Bali. That's what we're gonna do. It's currently 6 a.m. We woke up. It's been raining. So we really don't know if we're going to be able to go, but I think we're still going to go. We're going to go and figure it out. I'm carrying my cami and some speaker. Outfit.
Okay.
Java again. I mentioned this in my previous vlog also. The best granola ever. And I'm so hungry right now. I have so much energy right now. Like even though I didn't consume caffeine, that's surprising. Kevin doesn't know that the waves work because of the moon. Dude!
I'm blaming my geography teacher.
Come on, it's general knowledge.
Bro, I swear, ask anybody they won't know this. Sid, you knew this? Yeah.
You knew this, right?
I know. Shut your mouth. You're fucking with me.
We're not fucking with you. We're teaching you new knowledge. Dude, the gravitational pull of the moon decides how like hectic the waves are going to be.
They never taught us this in school, number one.
Which school did you go to? I'm sure there was a whole like there were 5 chapters about this.
5 chapters on the power of the moon.
Yeah.
Shut your mouth. Paragraph max.
Not one paragraph, I think at least 1 chapter, bro.
Name the chapter.
You don't remember the concept, you think I'll remember chapter name. What is that, dude? We are going on a ferry trip and Kevin is wearing shoes. That's really lame. ID card.
Where is the ID card? That's crazy, you know this song. Chappal Potiya. Pant Potiya.
That was me every day in college while entering. You're like, where is your ID card? I'm like, bro, 6 a.m. you think I will be a voluntary if I wasn't, if I didn't need attendance. She's wiped her face and her body like 100 times. Every time we went under a shade and she didn't get wet, she was like, oh. Bro, I feel like I'm back in India for some reason. I think it's because I'm hanging out with so many Indians for the first time since I've gotten here. I'm thinking about that almond croissant. It got over too fast. Like, I mean, I've had better almond croissant.
But don't worry, the dolphins will come with you.
We successfully made it to the boat. The journey has begun. Raz was wondering what to do with her hair. We should tie it on a pole and go then Maui Maui. Everybody took one solid nap. We have arrived to Nusa Penida. Oh my god, I am so excited. Dressing up for Polaroids and cigarettes. Socialize, romanticize and lie. Oh my god, will I get copyrighted for this? Like, we thought this was gonna be our ride and we got so excited, and then man's gone and pulled up a real car and come.
Is in India, Bangalore.
Bangalore.
Abali ceria, abali kangen, ting ting ting. हमें हो गई तेरे सजना ting ting ting. मेरा बंजी में ये लगता है दीवाना है लज्जा लज्जा.
That's it.
Maria, that's it. Do. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 7, 7, 4, 3, 3.
Wow! Okay, bro, don't flex so much also. You know what I miss the most about being in India and or being around my friends? We've ordered like food and we're all gonna share it. Nobody shares, bro, over here. Everyone gets their own meal and eat. Here, see, now I can have multiple options. I can taste everything. Dinga 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 dinga. Chicken sandwich.
Can you play so?
Bro, everyone was controlling the amount of food they would eat because apparently they'll get seasick. And I think I should have also, but I ate so much and I'm... Woo! have the whole boat to ourselves, and I think that's fucking awesome. Snorkeling time. How was it? Can I drop my phone? Waves are massive. I've never seen waves this big in my life. This is worse than Bangalore roads, bro. Dude, it's a whole roller coaster ride of it. Dude, my face is gone. Like, it's completely red all over. So I've just put sunscreen on it right now. Like an Indian cricketer, or just like a cricketer. You know how they put those two white patches? That's what I attempted to do, hoping to heal my face. Because it's burning. We've been in the water for the last... How long have we been in the water for, guys? 3 hours? Yeah, we've been like in the water for 3 hours. So basically, we have a lifeboat, okay, which is attached to the boat. But then I was just floating around, going, you know, by myself. And suddenly, I don't know how, I was just like chilling. Okay, and suddenly, I'm looking up, the boat is like some 100 meters away from me. I was like, what the fuck? And then I'm trying to swim towards it, and then I'm not getting closer to it. And then I'm like, okay, fine, doesn't matter. I just was, What's your issue in life, man? Why did you put water on me?
Sorry.
It's fine, I'm just kidding. Dude, but that snorkeling goggle, it really hurts, no? Is it hurting? Bro, look, it's red fully because of that. And I realize I have to desperately do my eyebrows also. Finished snorkeling for the trip, and now we're gonna go ahead eat some food. I'm so excited to put food in my mouth right now. I love naan. Okay, time to catch our ferry. Goodbye, Noosa Penida. Now that I know how easy it is to come here, I think I'm just gonna keep coming here. From tomorrow, I'm gonna cut dairy and sugar. Dude, you are a good husband. Guys, her husband just gave her the last part of the cornetto.
That's the only part I like.
That's the only part anyone likes. Bro, this is like the 100th piece that's fallen on me. I spent 4 hours already in the water, but I just can't get enough, bro. I feel like if I have to become anything in life, I want to become a fish. That should be my aspiration, to become a fish. So that I can spend all my day just chilling in the water, going from one coast to another. I'd be like, doing. I'll definitely be one of the flying fishes. I think I'd want to find a really pretty coral instead of a pretty house. You know what I mean? Like instead of a 1 BHK or a 2 BHK house, I'll take like a 5-stem coral or like a 7 billion stem coral. I don't know how they work. I'm actually really bad at marine biology. I really want to learn more about marine biology. It's so fascinating because like when I go down there, I kind of want to like, you know what is going on there. And when I'm in the water, I want to be able to see and be like, oh, this is that. Oh, that is that. You know, that just sounds so cool. I've been thinking about like, I want to learn something new. And I don't know what to learn about. But I think I kind of want to learn about marine biology. Because I tried finance and all and I can't do. Money comes, money goes. That's all I know about finance. And now we're heading back to Changiru. Yeah. It's a 45-minute ferry.
I think it's more than that.
So how was the trip? Did you have a good time?
So first time snorkeling. Get over your fears.
She was scared to let go. Oh my god, yeah. So we were...
Fish are actually really helpful.
We were like by the boat and then she was just like hanging out of the boat. She was so scared to like come inside the water and let go of the handles of the boat. But
Did it.
we did it. You
did
did it.
it.
I'm so
We did it.
I'm so proud of you. Thanks for watching this vlog.
Please subscribe, like, share, subscribe.
Do it. Fucking do it.